In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Squarespace 7.1 in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get your Squarespace skills up to speed. First things first, you'll want to head over to Squarespace's website. If you haven't done so already, open your browser and type in Squarespace, or just click on the link provided in the description to navigate there directly. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, locate the Login button. It's essential to access your account to make any changes, so click Login. Enter your credentials so you can get into your dashboard. If you're having trouble remembering your password, you might want to use the password recovery option that Squarespace provides. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself on the Squarespace dashboard. This is your control center where you'll have access to all your site's features. Look for the Website tab. Clicking on it will take you to the area where everything about your site is housed, and this includes your pages, design settings, blog posts, and more. In order to create a new landing page, you need to focus on the Pages section. Click on this to reveal all the pages associated with your site. Next, look for a section called Not Linked. This is where you can add pages that won't automatically appear in your navigation menu. Click on Not Linked so you can manage pages independently that you don't want visible in your main menu yet. Now, the exciting part begins. Adding a new page. Find and click on the plus icon. This is typically associated with adding something new within your dashboard. It signals you're ready to create a fresh section or page within your site. Now that you've clicked the plus icon, you'll want to select Page from the menu options, which will add an unlinked page to your site. After your new page has been added, it's time to start editing. Click on the Edit button to begin customizing your new landing page. You'll want to make sure that it reflects the message or aesthetic that you have in mind. Take your time to explore different elements like text blocks, images, buttons, and custom sections. They all play a part in creating an engaging and visually appealing landing page. Finally, it's time to add a section to your page. To do this, click on Add Section. This allows you to build out your page with various content blocks and layouts. Whether you're looking to showcase products, share photos, or display information, the right sections will help you achieve this effectively. And that's it. You've just created your landing page in Squarespace 7.1, a resource that's both functional and stylish. Don't forget to hit Save once you're happy with your design. This not only saves your work, but ensures your new landing page is live and ready for viewers to access. Thanks for joining me, and happy designing!